Hello and welcome to Ringgit Plus Talks. I am your host Andrew. Today we are going to talk about a new feature that could make your digital payments smoother and more secure. If you're an Alliance Bank customer using an Android device, you want to listen up. The Alliance Bank Visa Virtual Credit Card now supports Samsung Pay and Google Pay. With this integration, you can enjoy greater convenience and enhanced control all from the palm of your hand. To discuss what this means for users, I am joined by David Lim. He is the Head of Credit Card and Personal Loan Product Development at Alliance Bank. Thank you for joining us, David.
Hi, Andrew. Thanks for having me.
So to start with the basics first, for anyone unfamiliar with it, what exactly is the Alliance Bank Visa Virtual Credit Card and how is it different from a physical credit card?
Okay, so the Visa Virtual Credit Cards reside in your phone, right? So let me show you how my Visa Virtual Credit Card looks like. As you can see, it doesn't have 16-digit card number at all, right? While the plastic credit card, the physical credit card, it has a fixed 16-digit card number, right? So why do we want to remove the 16-digit card number from the Visa Virtual Credit Card? Simply because you think about it, if you have a plastic card, you use the 16-digit card number tied to all these 20 bills, right? And this 16-digit card number compromised, you have an issue here. Right? So you need to contact all your 20 bills, or you go back to all your 20 bills website, type everything all over again. Because once the card is compromised, you call our contact center. What we usually do, we will definitely give you a new 16-digit card number, right? So this is very, very hassle. So we think through for our customer experience as well. So while this virtual credit card doesn't have 16-digit card number, it allows you to create a dynamic card number, either a one-time card or subscription card model for your online transactions.
Okay, cool. That sounds like a major step forward in terms of security.
Definitely.
But with that in mind, can virtual credit cards be used for in-store payments as well or just online?
Oh, very good question. So recently we have launched the Samsung and Google Pay, right? With the Visa Virtual Credit Card, three clicks away, you can just provision this card into your Samsung and Google Pay, right? Then you can just use your phone, tap on the POS terminal and transact it.
And with all reports of credit card fraud floating around, I'm sure many listeners are wondering about security. So just exactly how secure are virtual credit cards?
Okay, so like I just mentioned, the dynamic card numbers allows you to create a one-time card or a subscription card. So when do I actually use a one-time card? For me personally, I'll use the one-time card usually for websites or bills that I don't usually pay on every month, right? It's a website that I don't usually go on very frequent. Like for example, my movie tickets or even my air tickets. I don't go watch movie every month, right? And I don't fly every month, right? So this type of website, I'll use the one-time card where you can just click here and key in your PIN, then you can actually get your one-time card that lasts for 30 minutes. And within this 30 minutes, you can just make one transaction. And this one transaction, once this go through, the card number will automatically disable, right? So you think about it. If any of this website are being compromised and the 16-digit card number are being copied by the hackers, so you don't have to worry because this 16-digit card number, already disabled. No one can use it. So, but of course, we will also think about users that wanted to use more frequent for their online transaction, like for example, Netflix, Spotify, or even insurance bill, right? So this is your monthly recurring. So we have a feature called subscription model, where you can just click on the subscription model, then you can immediately see you can actually set your own card limit, your own charge count, as well as your expiry date. So you think about it, like for example, Netflix. So Netflix will cost me about 54 ringgit 90 cents or 55 ringgit 90 cents, right? So you can actually set a limit at 56 ringgit. So you think about it, you can create a sub-card just for Netflix, not a sub-card for Andrew, but a sub-card for Netflix. And this sub-card limit as low as 56 ringgit. We can actually set a limit as low as 1 ringgit, by the way.
Okay.
Right. So as low as 56 ringgit, and this subscription card that tied to Netflix allows only to go through up to 56. Anything above that, it will automatically decline. And the best part is when you go back to your Visa Virtual Credit Card dashboard, you go through your Netflix card, you can just easily scroll. This card is only meant for Netflix. So you have one card ending number of 1234 for Netflix. You have another one which is 2256 for Spotify. You have another one which is 3345 for your insurance bill. Every single bills will comes with different card number, different limit, different charge count, and even a different expiry date.
Great. That's very reassuring. And how easy is it to set up the virtual credit card on my Samsung Pay or Google Pay account?
Oh, it's very, very easy. So in Alliance Bank, we focus our customer experience a lot, right? So for a usual card, a plastic card, usually you need to key in your 16-digit card number, your CVV, your expiry date, wait for the OTP, then you can only provision it to your Samsung or Google. But with the Visa virtual credit cards, all you need to do is that you go to your Visa virtual card account, right? Then you can see a Samsung or a Google Pay icon. You click on it, right? Then it will immediately jump to a Google or a Samsung website where you need to agree with the terms and conditions. Once you agree, that's it. It's as simple as 3 steps. You have provisioned your Samsung or Google Pay. And even if you want to transact with your Samsung or Google Pay, all you need, you just swipe up your phone, right? You see your card, you tap on the POS terminal. Anything more than 250 ringgit, you need to key in a PIN. Anything below 250, you can just transact without a PIN.
Convenient.
Yeah.
So that sounds very easy. Now let's talk about customizing our virtual card. Can users set specific limits for different types of purchases?
Yep, definitely. So like I mentioned, you have one card for Netflix, you have one card for Spotify. So you can set a limit of 60 for Netflix as well as 30 for your Spotify. And at any point of time, you plan to upgrade your plans in Netflix, for example, and the plans will cost you close to about 61 ringgit, for example, or any times that Netflix decided to increase their price, right? So you can just go back to your Visa virtual credit card dashboard, go to the Netflix card, click the setting, then you can just instantly change your setting limit anytime, anywhere. The minute once you change it, it will reflect in the system and it allows you to go through instantly, right? So not just for the limit, it can allows you to set your charge count as well. And you can also set your expiry date. So like, for example, I myself go to gym and some of the gym that allows you to tie up for 1 year, right? So you can actually create a card just set for 1 year. And by the time 1 year you have tested out, hey, I want to continue, right? So you can just go to the setting and extend the expiry date as and anywhere you want.
Okay, so you've mentioned about the fact that we can adjust things like the transaction limits and expiration dates, and all of this is done through the Alliance Online mobile app.
Yep, so you can done through Alliance Online mobile app, or we also have different few partners that work with us that their own app have Visa virtual card in it. Right, so this Visa virtual credit card inside their app, like for example, Mcash, MyVo, or even MyTaman. So you can also apply this card through their app as well. You don't really need to download Alliance mobile app.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very good to not limit people to just the app.
Yes. Because today you think about it, you have a lot of app inside this phone, right?
Yes.
And maybe you already have a MyTaman app, and then you want to download Alliance mobile app. So like I mentioned, Alliance Bank always think for our customers. Right, so that's why we work with app partners, right, to build the virtual credit card directly inside their app as well.
Cool. Now, a lot of people will be wondering about rewards because everybody want to buy credit card. They want to see what kind of benefits it has. So with that in mind, can you tell us about the benefits of using the Alliance Bank Visa virtual credit card?
Yep, that's a very good point. So the Visa virtual credit card not just about security, right? So we also give out lots of good perks. So as you know, like earlier when we talked about it, when we launched this Visa virtual credit card, we focuses a lot on online. So every time you use this card for your online transaction, as well as your e-wallet top-ups, we are giving not up to, it's directly an 8 times point, right? So think about it, every $1 you top up into Touch and Go, right, you will get 8 times point. Every $1 you spend in any websites, you will get 8 times point. And the points is timeless bonus point. So it never expired.
Great. So it's not just about making payments easier, it's also about earning rewards here. And for all Apple users out there, I heard there is something else on the horizon.
Oh yeah, yes. Are you an Apple user?
Yes, definitely.
Yeah, so we heard our customers' feedback as well. So when we launched our Samsung Pay and Google Pay, there are Apple users been asking, hey, when will Apple Pay coming? Right, so we are integrating to Apple Pay right now, so stay tuned.
So that's awesome. So whether you're shopping online, topping up your e-wallet, or making in-store payments, the Alliance Bank Visa Virtual Credit Card can do all of this. If you're ready to get started, just head on to Alliance Online mobile app to apply for the card. Right, David?
Yep. So the minimum entry level is just 2,000 ringgit per month, and all you need is just your EPF statement, right? And best part of this card, I forgot about it. Annual fee, free for life.
Nice.
Yeah,
Great.
no annual fee at all. Yeah,
Right. So, David, thank you so much for breaking all of this down for us.
yeah. Thank you for having me again.
And thanks to everyone for tuning in. If you haven't downloaded the Alliance Online mobile app yet, do so now so you can start applying for the Alliance Bank Visa Virtual Credit Card and enjoy all of the benefits offered by this virtual card. For more financial tips and tricks, visit ringgitplus.com. Catch you next time.